Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a curious little squirrel named Willow. Willow loved exploring the wonders of nature, from the tallest trees to the tiniest flowers. One sunny day, Willow gathered his friends, Luna the wise owl, and Oliver the playful rabbit, to embark on a special adventure. They had heard about a hidden treasure that could make the entire forest even more beautiful. As they journeyed deeper into the woods, they noticed that some parts of the forest were not as vibrant as others. The once clear streams were now filled with litter, and the colorful flowers struggled to bloom beneath the pollution, determined to find the treasure and restore the beauty of their home. The trio encountered challenges along the way. They crossed bridges made of fallen branches, climbed hills of leaves, and faced a mischievous crow who tried to distract them from their mission. Finally, after a long journey, they reached a sparkling waterfall. Hidden behind the waterfall was a magical crystal that shimmered with the colors of the rainbow. This crystal, they discovered, had the power to heal the forest and protect it from harm. With teamwork and the magic of the crystal, Willow, Luna, and Oliver transformed their once polluted home into a haven of harmony. The streams sparkled, the flowers bloomed, and the animals danced with joy. From that day forward, the friends became the guardians of the magical crystal, ensuring that the forest remained a vibrant and healthy home for all its inhabitants. And so, Willow, Luna, and Oliver taught everyone in the forest the importance of caring for nature and living in harmony with the environment. The magical crystal became a symbol of their commitment to protecting the beauty of the natural world. The end.